Have you ever felt anxious, restless at night, or mentally drained? What if I told you that there's a gentle herb that has been calming minds and soothing bodies for over 2,000 years? Yes. Today, we are talking about lemon balm, scientifically known as Melissa officinalis. Lemon balm is a fragrant herb from the mint family. It has a soft lemon scent, delicate green leaves, and powerful healing properties that many people overlook. Let's explore why this simple herb may deserve a place in your kitchen and in your wellness routine. Lemon balm is mostly known for reducing stress and anxiety. Modern life can be overwhelming. Work, family, responsibilities, everything can build up. Lemon balm contains natural compounds that support calmness by gently influencing certain receptors in the brain linked to relaxation. Studies have shown that lemon balm may help reduce nervousness, restlessness, and feelings of tension. It doesn't sedate you heavily. It simply takes edge off. Think of it as soft exhale after a long day. If you love calm evenings, soft music, and winding down naturally, lemon balm tea may become your new favorite ritual. Let's talk about sleep. If your mind races at night, lemon balm may help you fall asleep easily. It's often combined with herbs like valerian to improve sleep quality. On its own, lemon balm supports relaxation, helping your body shift to the rest mode. It's not a heavy sleeping pill. It works gently. That's why many people prefer it, especially if they want to wake up with a clear head. Lemon balm supports brain function and memory. Interestingly, research suggests that lemon balm may improve focus, cognitive performance, and even mood. Some studies have explored its potential role in supporting people experiencing mild memory challenges. It appears to protect brain cells from oxidative stress and may also enhance alertness while keeping you calm at the same time. The balance, calm but focused, it's rare and valuable. Now, here's something many people don't know. Lemon balm is also amazing for your digestive health. If you struggle with issues like bloating, gas, mild stomach cramps, or stress-related digestive discomfort, lemon balm can help relax the digestive muscles because it calms the nervous system. It indirectly supports the gut health, especially when your stomach issues are triggered by stress. For some people who are mindful about food and gentle cooking, adding lemon balm to your tea after meals can be a soothing addition. Another powerful benefit of lemon balm is because it has antiviral properties. Lemon balm has been widely studied for its effect on cold sores caused by herpes, simplex virus. Topical creams made with lemon balm extract have been shown to reduce healing time and discomfort. Its natural compounds help to block viral activity and reduce inflammation. This makes it not only calming, but productive too. And speaking from the side of protection, lemon balm is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help fight free radicals in the body, unstable molecules that contribute to aging and chronic diseases. By reducing oxidative stress, lemon balm supports overall cellular health. This means it's not just a calm down herb. It's a longevity supporting herb. Lemon balm is also good for hormonal and mood balance. Because lemon balm supports the nervous system, some women use it during their menstrual cycle or during hormonal fluctuations to reduce irritability and mood swings. It may also gently support thyroid health, although anyone with thyroid conditions should always consult a professional before using it regularly. Lemon balm has been traditionally used to lift the spirit. It was even called a plant of life. Herbalists believed it to brighten the mood and to strengthen the heart. Modern science is now catching up to the traditional medicine known for centuries. So, how can you use lemon balm? The most common way is to use it as a tea. You can get the fresh leaves and then add them to your tea. They add a light citrusy, calming scent and taste to your tea. It also comes in capsules and essential oils. However, if you're starting, tea is simple, gentle, and effective. For most people, lemon balm is considered very safe when used in moderate amounts. However, pregnant and breastfeeding mothers and individuals on thyroid medication should speak to the healthcare first before using it. In a world full of synthetic quick fixes, lemon balm reminds us that healing can be gentle. It doesn't force your body, it supports your body. It comes without knocking you out. It focuses without overstimulating. Sometimes the most powerful remedies are the simplest ones. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, struggling with sleep, or just looking for a natural way to support your mind and body, lemon balm may be worth exploring. Nature has always provided tools for balance. We just have to reconsider them. Thank you for listening. If you enjoy learning about simple, natural ways to improve your health, make sure you stay connected and always remember wellness doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it starts with a cup of tea.